The current format of SPACs really originated around 2003 and 2004. Chardan was an early pioneer with the third SPAC ever called Chardan China Acquisition. And we see SPACs with teams focused in specific sectors having unique opportunities to use that to advantage. And we think that Chardan can be an excellent partner along that journey.
We've underwritten over 80 SPACs, sponsored 6, advised over 20.
Chardan has broad sector experience from a SPAC perspective. We have executed transactions broadly within healthcare, within technology, within fintech, within consumer, within media, within agriculture, in consumer goods, industrials, even energy. So we have broad sector experience both domestically and internationally.
Since inception, we've raised over $11 billion through SPAC IPOs underwritten by Chardan and consummated over $7 billion in business combinations.
What sets Chardan apart is our decade and a half of experience within SPACs, the fact that our team has served in various capacities along the way. In other words, they've been the management team, they've been the sponsor, they've acted as an underwriter and an advisor.
We're able to provide our clients with unique perspective from the sponsor's position, which allows us to dig into an extraordinarily deep playbook that's leverageable across the life cycle of our client SPACs.
Thinking about banks that have been involved from the very beginning, those that have seen the product mature over the past decade and a half, we've certainly been there, and we've been there uniquely for many different capacities. In other words, from a management, sponsor, underwriter, and advisor. When a sponsor thinks about what's the right underwriter for them, I believe they should look at which bank will be a good partner for them. There's execution that's critical to the IPO itself, but I think more fundamentally and more importantly is who's going to help that team get to a successful business combination. And so when you think about Chardan within that context, since we've been in the space for over 15 years, since we've acted in all capacities within a SPAC, from manager, sponsor, underwriter, and advisor, we bring unique perspective and unique abilities to assist the sponsor from getting from the IPO to the business combination. I think that there's going to continue to be innovations around the structure of SPACs. You're going to continue to see high quality deals from a target company perspective go public through the SPACs because it is solving inefficiencies that have been long-standing in the typical IPO process.
We see SPACs as now being fully institutionally adopted as a credible path to IPO for high quality, high growth companies.
Chardan's focus on disruption and innovation has put it in a very interesting position when we think about the growth of our firm. We've built expertise in areas that continue to see interest, whether it's technology, healthcare, or SPACs, or the blending of them, which really positions us extremely well for the future. Building a great team, having a great outlook and camaraderie within the firm is important, and then focusing on clients' needs is really the foundation for growth. And so when I think about where the SPAC market could be over the next 5 years, when I think about where technology is going, where healthcare is going, and how Chardan is positioned, it makes me very excited.